Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Easy. This lesson is about potential dividers. A potential divider is a circuit that is used to produce a desired voltage from a fixed input voltage. Now let's say you have the input voltage of 10 volts, but you need to get 3 volts out of it, or 5 volts out of it, or any fraction of that out of it. So the simple idea in a potential divider is you have a 2 or more resistors in series, and the potential, the input, is split among them, and you can take the potential out of that depending on your requirement. So here you can see a simple potential divider circuit. So you have the input voltage that is split between R1 and R2, and the output is across the R2. Now the formula that gives you the output is V out is R2 over the total resistance, which is R1 plus R2 multiplied by V in. For an example, let's imagine if the input voltage is 10 volts and R1 is 3 ohms, R2 is 5 ohms. So if you want to get the output voltage, all you need to do is V out is equal to R2, which is 5, over the sum of the resistors, 3 add 5, 8, multiplied by the input, which is 10. So the output voltage is 6.25 volts. The next thing you need to know is about potentiometers. So potentiometers are also an application of potential dividers, slightly different variation. Now here the total input is given to a length of resistor, so marked as capital L here. Then you have a sliding contact. Here's a sliding contact. As the name implies, you can slide it to any place. You can slide it here, you can slide it here or there. You can slide it to any place along the long resistor. So depending on where you keep the sliding contact, you can get a fraction of this input voltage. So the formula here is V out is lowercase l, which is the length here, divided by capital L multiplied by the input voltage. Now, a potentiometer is even more versatile than a normal potential divider because you can get any fraction of the input voltage. So if you want all of it, you can move the sliding contact all the way to the very top. If you need only 50% of it, go to the halfway point. If you need 1/10 of it, just go to that length. So you'll get that fraction.